I actually started right out of high school. Been here 36 years now, working on 37. Started out here on cleanup. So worked my way through the ranks and now I'm hauling supervisor. So what we do is we dig the product out of the ground, tan clay, blue clay, haul it to the plant. They process it, run it through a dryer or a crusher, grind it up. A few disintegrators, goes to the dryer, dries it out, and then goes across the mills and different sizes and make different products. From Oil-Dri, cat litter, ag products. We've probably got over 100 different products. My crew goes in and gets the clay out of the bottom, and we haul it to the plant, dump it on the yard, and then the plant uses it to make their process. And then when we get ready to start the next pit, we take that dirt and move it over into the hole we just dug. So in the end, we're filling everything back up, reclaiming everything, and then as the topsoil that we piled up in the beginning, we'll spread that topsoil back across it and we'll replant it in trees or whatever. Everything we do is done by excavator and trucks. The equipment we use is just bought a PC 900 that we're using over there now. And we looked at it and found out, hey, we can load a truck in 3 buckets. We could take that one machine and replace 2, which we were having a lot of trouble with at the time. So it made sense, and so far it hasn't let us down. It is efficient, it moves a lot of dirt pretty quick. 12 hours a day, every day. We run 7 days a week. And so far we haven't had any breakdown issues, says a lot. We were really looking to do some reclamation and cleaning up around some property lines and stuff like that. So we have a hybrid rental, TEC. It sold us on it to save fuel, and we gave it a shot and it worked out great. So it's pretty efficient. It saves a lot of fuel. We can run it a couple days without having to fuel it up because of the hybridness of it. It's doing a lot of work, steady running. It's been a good machine. We haven't noticed any difference really, electric over hydraulic. Swing wise, it's got a pretty good swing. It's power digging. We haven't had any issues digging, so it's fairly strong. We have front end loaders. We do have a dozer on the stockpile over there pushing up a D65. We got a Komatsu grader here as well that we're renting right now. It does a good job. It's been a good machine. So they actually have a pretty good crew up there at TEC. Mike is our salesperson, and he checks on us. I call him. He always answers. You got the service team. We call them to set something up. They're pretty efficient. Everybody's helpful with what we need.